free video shows how you can retire in 10 months. Click the link in the description to find out how. Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this super short video, I want to introduce you to a money-making opportunity that can start as a simple side hustle and turn into a full-blown home business. All right, so as I'm talking, I want you to take a good look at the screen right now. Right, look at it. If you got to pause it. Right, look at the actual earning potential of this opportunity, and keep in mind it's super easy to get started, and this could actually retire you right in 10 months if you put that work in and you grind. But you got to ask yourself, like what would I do with this kind of money? Like, don't even look at the 10 month earning potential. Just look at the 5 month, the 6 month earning potential, and ask yourself, right, what would I do with this money? Right, what could I do with this money? And what would it do for you? Right? So I know I'm big on, like, yo, let's be realistic with these numbers and these money making programs and blah blah blah, but this actually can happen. Right, this money actually can happen if you're willing to follow instructions and put a little work in, and you can put yourself in this position, guys. So if you want more information and actually want to get started with this opportunity, it only takes $25. If you don't got $25, right, if you don't got $25 to start this opportunity, then what you need to do is watch my other videos, and you can surely come up with $25 to start this opportunity, guys, because this is something that can literally change your whole life if you grind and you serious about this opportunity. So guys, link below, check it out, get started, and see for yourself how you can start making a huge monthly recurring income. All right, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Now go make some money.